Oven baked chicken thighs. These are not the regular thighs, these are tandoori chicken thighs, guys. Very easy recipe. I'll give you all dry ingredients for this recipe. Six beautiful, just the thighs. These are deboned, so this is boneless thigh meat. First thing we will do, we will add this meat, 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now we are making this tandoori marinade for our chicken thighs. So let's get straight into the video. I have a dry spice blender. This is whole black pepper. I'll add half tablespoon of whole black pepper. This is coriander, half tablespoon. All right, we will take some cloves, at least 6, 7 of them. Okay, the next thing is cumin. I'll take half tablespoon. If you guys don't have the dry spice blender, as I always mention, you can use all these ingredients. If you go to market, get all these ingredients as a powdered form. And we will take some cinnamon, at least half of it. So it's like half tablespoon of cinnamon. It goes in here. Alright my friends, we will grab this right here and we will just blend this right now. This is the first thing. It's a very easy recipe. We all love tandoori. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. We will take at least 5 to 6 green cardamom. We will add those right here as well. We will give another blend to it. All right, we are done with our dry spice blend. So it has black pepper, coriander, cloves, cinnamon, cumin, and cardamom right here. So here you go, half spoon each. It goes right on top of our chicken thighs. This is garlic powder, 1 whole tablespoon. This is ginger powder, whole tablespoon. This is paprika, or you can use red chili powder. This is 1 whole tablespoon. This is onion powder. We have to add at least 1 whole tablespoon. As I mentioned, we're gonna be making this all from the dry ingredients. We will add some oil and vinegar in there just to get the flavors right. Okay, 1 whole tablespoon of onion powder. Look at this. This is ground nutmeg. At least half tablespoon goes here. We will take some salt. 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Okay, now look at this. Now look at this. This is a food color. This is the red one. We will take half tablespoon of food color. The red one goes in here. And orange food color. You have to make it tempting, right? So half tablespoon of orange food color goes in here. This is white distilled vinegar. We will add at least 4 tablespoons of it. I'm using regular vegetable oil, at least 3 tablespoons. Wonderful. Look at this marinade. It looks so colorful, so good. It has so many ingredients. So I have counted the ingredients. We are making this whole recipe, this everything whatever you guys saw right now, from 14 ingredients. Okay, easy thing to do. Give it a mix. You're grilling this chicken thigh, tandoori chicken thighs, right? You can add yogurt in here. You're not grilling. This is perfectly oven roasted, oven grilled chicken thighs. So this is the recipe all the way for it. The texture looks fine. You guys see the meat is colored. It's carrying all the ingredients on top of it. It is so easy, man. If you have all these ingredients at home in a powder form, so just grab these, add on top of your boneless thigh meat. Use thigh meat for it and marinate it. You know what we have to do now? Very easy, right? Once you do that, cover it with the lid and put it in your fridge at least for 1 hour. I'll see you after 1 hour now. It's been roughly 1 hour. So this is our tandoori chicken thighs, boneless. It has been sitting in the fridge for almost an hour. These are our steel skewers. If you don't have the skewers, take a baking sheet just like this and put this meat right on top of it. So for me, just to make it nice and delicious, right, we'll grab a whole piece of a thigh and we'll put it like a zigzag form. So So it comes out, it goes in, then it comes out and it goes in, and just like that. So this is a one whole thigh right here. Just squeeze it so you have enough space for the next one. Again, in, out, in and out. So this is kind of a whole 2 thighs goes on one skewer, just like that. Let's grab another one. I was out of gloves, you know, the chef gloves, these gloves, so I had to wear the gloves for an hour. There you go guys, we have put all our thighs, 6 of them right here on our 3 skewers. The secret is to add a little bit water in your tray at the bottom, so it keeps the meat soft, you know, moist. This is what we need. If you guys see at the back, my oven is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, right? So at this time we will put this meat in the oven for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes we will flip the sides and we will cook the meat for another 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys after 40 minutes now. Alright guys, it's been 20 minutes. Let's flip our, oh, it's hot. I should have wear the gloves, but here you go. So we will just flip the meat for the next 20 more minutes to go. Man, looks good though. Let's go 20 more minutes. This is after 40 minutes guys. Right here. Oh my god, I'm craving for this piece actually. Wow, it's juicily tender. Woo. What a strong tandoori flavor is there. Wow man, take a look. I made a dish out plate, so we will grab this, put it right here, and here's the next one. Home cooked tandoori chicken boneless thighs right here in front of us. It took at least 2 hours to make this whole recipe, but it's flavorful. It's all dry ingredients, but with the amount I told you guys, do follow this recipe, and I'll see you on the next one. We'll do a taste test. Let's do a taste test after this montage. The moment of truth, tandoori Thai chicken. We have baked it in oven. It took at least 40 minutes to bake at 400 degrees, and here it is guys. This is our final product. These are all dry ingredients in here. Look at this man, it looks delicious. Let's take our first thigh out of here. Man, it's juice. Wow, just by the touch. There are no meat tenderizers, there's nothing in it. Just by the timing and the ingredients, did the whole job. Wow, man, it looks good, right? Look at this. Look at the meat. Look at the sauces. It's so moist. Yes sir. All right, I'll take a lime. You can use lemon, lime, put some drops on it, and that's the bite. Fantastic. Let's give a dip in the homemade green sauce. I have made this video already on the channel. Make this delicious recipe. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe the channel if you're new here. Let me enjoy this beautiful, delicious meat. Boneless tandoori chicken thighs. Wow. Enjoy.